What's up? It's Dom here, making a super tastic video, dude. Yeah, man. Anyway, this is what I sound like when I'm cursing, when I'm saying fucking, bitches, motherfuckers. Yeah, there's not a whole lot of anger to it. But whatever you're dreaming over there on the other side of the computer is not what's happening here. At this house here, yo. This house right here. Where I'm eating English muffins. The muffin. Feel the power of the muffin. Feel the power. You see that butter? You see all that butter slathered on there. Feel it. Feel the power. What do you think, buddy? You want some English muffin, man?